Welcome to the Office Add-ins MCP Server. I'm Yi-Wei, and today I'll demonstrate how we're transforming the Office Add-ins experience through AI agents. The MCP Server connects AI agents like GitHub Copilot, Copilot Studio, ChatGPT, and Claude to Office Store. It acts as a bridge deployed on Azure App Service, enabling AI agents to understand, discover, and manage Office add-ins seamlessly. What makes this powerful is that it enables natural language interactions across all Office applications. Now let's see live demonstrations. First, the MCP server works with GitHub Copilot. You simply paste the URL of the remote MCP server here. I'll ask, manage my stock portfolio with Fidelity using Excel. What add-ins can help me? Show the top 5 rated in a table. Notice how the agent intelligently calls the search tool with relevant queries like Fidelity Excel Finance. It refines the search further. The agent makes multiple strategic searches, rapidly identifying keywords that match the user's needs. It then presents a comprehensive table with ratings and key features. Even without dedicated Fidelity-specific add-ins, the agent provides valuable alternatives worth trying. Beyond GitHub Copilot, our MCP server integrates seamlessly with Copilot Studio, and it's remarkably simple. Just add your instructions, navigate to the Tools tab, and connect the MCP server. The real power comes with deployment. You can publish through channels to make your agent accessible everywhere, in the M365 Copilot panel, Teams, or Word. It's truly a seamless cross-application experience. For future work, the MCP server could be extended to serve three key audiences. For end users, agents will automate workflows by orchestrating multiple add-ins. For developers, agents will streamline the publishing process for custom add-ins. And for admins, agents will enable centralized control add-ins across the organization. Thank you all for your time.